10.
Where is it? Equal the
In square,
equal the
all sides are equal. In square, all sides are equal. In rectangle,
there are two are equal.
opposite sides are equal. In rectangle,
Opposite sides are equal.
What is this one?
Round.
Circle.
Round.
Round. It is a.
Round.
What is this one?
Circle.
So, what we tell about the tomato? Tomato is round or circle?
Round.
So, what about bangle?
Circle.
Circle. Yes, these are the shapes you know.
Yes.
In these shapes, we are founding here corners. Corners are there?
Yes.
Here also corner, here also corner. So, what is this corner in the mathematical part? It is known as
Angle.
known as.
Angle.
So, what is the mean by angle? Angles means what?
When two parts join,
Yes.
that is it.
Sit down. When the two lines or surface in the line it is joined, the space in between those lines it is known as angle. Look at the door. It is here surface is there. When we move towards this, some point is there, no? That space is known as angle. So, to tell some example for that angle. Wherever we found angles
In corner. In corner.
in corners.
In the clock.
In clock. Sit down. Asad, how we can found the angle in clock? She told, we found angle in clock. So how? What we see in the clock? Time. At the time moment, needles are moving, no?
Yes.
Needles are moving.
Yes, teacher.
So when needles are moving, in between those two lines, we found the angle. Yes, we found the angle. So in clock also we found angle. Sit down. Next.
In shapes.
In shapes. Sit down. Very good.
In snap. In window.
Window sides, door sides, we can okay. In hands, very good. Day to day, it is a common thing. In hands, we can found the it is angle. So it is also angle. It is space in between two lines. Yes, sit down, very good. Bench corners, yes. Everywhere we can clap for it. Everywhere we can found the angle. Yes. So today we learn about the angles. Angle means what? The two sides joined. It is known as
Angle.
the space in between. Angle means the space in between the two lines joining is known as angle. So in angle there are 6 sides. Still on it, Samatha. There are how many sides?
6 sides.
Totally there are
6 sides.
what it is?
Right angle.
So let's know about the acute angle. Acute angle. Acute angle means it starts from 0 degree to from 0 degree to 90. 89. From 0 degree to 89 degree, it is known as acute angle. 0 degree to 89 degree. So it is the angle model for angle. So now it is inside, no, inside part. So now I move this one. Now I move. It is moving. Is it moving?
Yes.
So it comes to 20 degree. It is 20 degrees. Huh? So 20 degree means which angle?
Acute angle.
Acute angle. Now I am going to move this one. Just to tell in which degree it is. Which degree now it is? Which degree? Number? It is 50 degrees. So up to what? Up to 89. Up to 89 degree it is known as acute angle. When it turns to 90 degree exact straight, it is known as
Right angle.
second type right angle. So give the example for right angle. I am showing the shape. Which angle it is?
Right angle.
If this is in here
Acute angle.
and in between these two fingers,
Acute
if
angle.
I am showing like this, acute angle. Why?
This is all nine.
It is below 90 degree. It is below 90 degree. For that purpose, it is acute angle. So next it is this one. It is right angle. It is right angle. If I move like this,
Acute angle.
now it is
Right angle.
right angle. Next, more than 90 degree, more than 90 degree, and less than 180 degree. It is known as obtuse angle. It is known as
Acute angle.
from 91 degree to 179 degree. It is known as obtuse angle. So sit down. I am moving this one. So now it is what? 90 degree. So just I move it one up to this. Here it is 180 degree. Here it is the 180 degree. So I move up to this one. 170 up to 179. It is known as what? Obtuse angle. It is known as obtuse angle. So obtuse angle after this one, and I move little bit. When it reaches to the 180 degree, it is known as straight. It creates a straight line. For that purpose, it is known as straight angle. Next one time it is straight angle. It is exactly 180 degree. If it is the degree, it is exactly 180 degree. It is known as straight angle. So next, more than 180 degree means start from more 181. So what it is known as? Reflex. Means here it is reflexing. Here it is half portion is there. So it is reflecting from here. Half portion is reflecting from 181 degree. So for that purpose it is known as reflex angle. It is starts from 181 degree and up to 359 degree. Up to 359 degree. It is known as reflex angle. Because here half portion is there. The portion of half is only reflecting here. So for that purpose it is known as reflex angle. Samar. So much it is. Stand up and done. 200. 200. Now it is 290 degree. 290 degree. So which type of angle it is? What are you doing? 290 degree means which type of angle? Look at the board is also. Is there. Samarpari. 290 degree means which angle? Reflex angle. So reflex angle starts from which angle? Which degree to up to which degree? Reflex angle. 181 degree to 359 degree. It is known as reflex angle. You concentrate. Sit up. is last one. It is
Full rotation
angle. When we say full rotation, when it completes one full round, when it completes one full round, it is known as
Full rotation angle.
So like this needle is completing full one rotation. Full one rotation, all red part is outside.
Yes.
So for that purpose, it is known as full rotation angle. 360-degree, it is known as full rotation angle. So in day-to-day life, wherever we found the angles. So in the alphabet, in the letters in the alphabet, we found angles. Yes. So we do an activity. Sifa, stand up. Which letter it is?
Yes.
Which angle is there here? Straight angle. Is it correct, Kushi? Is it correct? Why it is a straight angle? Ah,
It is wrong.
it is wrong.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes.
Is it a straight angle? Ah, tell Shreyas. L is the letter in alphabet. So in the L letter, here it is the angle. It is the right angle. Straight angle means what? Straight angle means what? Huh? 180. But is it creating one straight here? Here it is only 90 degrees there, no? For that purpose, it is the right angle. Do you understand? Any doubts? No? Sit down. Correct. In the letter M, here we are having the angles. Huh? So what type of angle it is? Acute angle. It is a downside, but it is not having the straight line. So lower than 90 degree it is there. So for that purpose it is a acute angle. Sit down. Ikra, what is this letter? H. Here also we found the angles.
Yes.
Is it? Here we found angles. Here it is the angle. Here it is the angle. Here it is the angle. So only upper side. Upper side angle is there. So which type of angle it is? Mira, stand. Is it of 90 degree? So 90 degree means which type we have this? Huh? Which? Straight only. Right angle. Right angle measures 90 degree. Right angle measures 90 degree. Sit down. Any doubts here?
No.
Every clear?
Yes.
I will show some clock timing here. You have to tell which type of angle is there. Nakib. What is the time here? 3 o'clock 10 minutes. 3:10 minutes. So which type of angle is there? Acute angle. Why? Why it is known as acute angle? Half. In between two lines, is it measures up to right 90 degree, 180 degree is there? No. It is less than 90 degree. It is less than 90 degree. For that purpose, it is known as acute angle. Take this one and write the angles created in this line. Take it. Write it out.